Oh, now you got the harder ones.
Tiger.
Close.
Tiger. Oh, okay.
We'll call it Mumbo.
What about this, Zoe? What about this? What's that, Grandma?
You know what that one was, Grandma?
I'm sorry, what?
You know what that one is?
Do I know what it is? I can't see it. No. What is it?
Dog.
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 What about this? That's a cat. Cat. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah,
She thought that was pretty funny.
Do you know that one?
What?
Oh, yeah. We're doing this on video, so you'll get to see the,
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. We're saying Chinese duck.
duck in Chinese.
Is that Yaya?
Yeah. That's a duck in
Yeah.
Chinese.
Huh.
Yeah. 怎么叫来？丫丫怎么叫？哦，猪哦。
What is that?
That's a pig.
Is that the sheep?
Pig.
Pig. Okay.
What's this? Moo. That's a cow.
Oh.
Dog. Again. Dog. Sheep. Meh. Sheep. Meh. Sheep.
Are they looking at a book?
Yeah. Can you hear her?
Yes, I can hear her.
Dada. This is English now, okay?
Which one's that? Oh, duck. Yeah, duck. What's that?
That's a pig. But that should Dada. Oh, it's good. We know both the Chinese and English.
You do Chinese and English?
What's this? Elephant, Zoe. Oh. Elephant, baby.
Can you do the flashcards one more time and catch that on? Let's see how we're doing the flashcard. Or the,
Zoe, look. Zoe, what's this? Zoe.
Alright. Almost
I
that
think
video.
it's over.
You done? Baby. Okay.
Baby.